What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is May, and in today's video I am going to unbox this huge box right next to me. This is the Make It Real Together Big Advent Calendar from the Body Shop. They have three sizes. This is the medium, they have the ultimate, which is the biggest one, and they also have the small. The value of the products in this is $179, and you can get this for $109 on their website. I like the color, it's red, it's very Christmassy. I like the design, it's very festive. These guys' ugly sweaters are so cute. I am super excited, you guys. This is my first big advent calendar. Last year I had one from Target. I think it was like the small sample ones, but I have never really opened a huge advent calendar. I always wanted to get my hands on this kind of advent calendar, but every time I tried, they are always sold out like quickly. I didn't know these popular advent calendars come out early in the months like September, October. So I didn't know that, but this year I was like, inabangan ko talaga, guys. So I was like, I really need to get this. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm super excited, guys. I'm sorry, I'm just too excited. I hope you guys are excited as me right now. So here we got 25 boxes of surprises. So let's go ahead and unbox them. So I have to find the day one. Where is the day one? So for the day one, I found it. It's right here. It's a long box. Ooh, let's shake it first. Ah! I think, guys, I got a hand cream. Ah! Yeah. Oh yeah, it is hand cream. Yes. I am obsessed with hand creams, guys. Like, I hope this is not gonna be sticky when I apply it on my skin. So I hope I will love the scent too. Oh my gosh, let's see. Smells so good. I love the coconut smell. Yeah, it feels good on the skin, guys. It's not sticky. Where's the day two? Day two, kind of having hard time finding it. Found it. It's a thin box. I'm gonna mess it up, guys, if I pull this one out. Oh my gosh, it's all gonna fall off. Don't. All right, I'm gonna put this one back. So here is the day two. Okay. I'm like going crazy right now, guys. Forgive me. What is this? Oh yeah, it is a face mask. Guys, I love face masks. It's like an essential for me. Oh, I use face mask like twice a week, so I will definitely use this. So we are on the third day now. It's here, it's big. I got a loofah. Yes. Smells so good. I can't tell what smell it is. I really need a new loofah. You know what, guys? Because yesterday I found a spider in the bathroom hanging on my loofah. I don't think I will want to use my loofah again because it's just like made me think that the spider will still be there somewhere. Okay, day four. Day four. Hello, day four. Where are you? Another long, thin box. I think it is a small product inside. Oh, what is this? Oh, this must be a nail file. This is like a good kind of nail file. I have a lot of nail files already, so I might give this to someone. Day 5. It's a small box right here. An eye cream. It must be like one of those round things. Like I can tell. I don't know. Maybe like some small cream or something. I'm just trying to guess. I don't want to ruin the box because I want to reuse it. Coconut lip butter. Day 6 is just right here. It's a little bit heavy, heavier than the first ones. So I would guess this is maybe a sample size bottle or something. I'm guessing. I don't know, maybe like a gel or bath shower gel maybe. We'll see. Oh yeah, I'm right. I love eating mangoes, so I think I'm gonna like this. And I love everything fruity. I love fruity flavors, fruity scent. Oh, it does smell like mango. And it also has like a sweet citrusy smell. Day 7 is big. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's big. I think this is the biggest. Is it the biggest one? It's kind of heavy. And it has a Christmas tree on it, so this must be special. I don't know, we'll see. What do we have here? See, it's a bottle, and this is banana. Oh, shampoo. Oh, this is a banana shampoo. So I never heard of a banana shampoo before, so this is interesting to me, and I hope it smells good. I want to eat this. It smells like smoothie, like literally a smoothie. That's what it smells like to me. I love this. I am loving the products that I'm getting right now from this advent calendar. So let's see what more I will be getting. What day are we now? Oh my gosh, I lost track. Like, I have to count the products I got here. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm on the day 8. So day 8 is right here. Didn't give me a hard time. So here we got the snowman, Himalayan charcoal. Oh, so it's a mask. Oh, okay. So it's a Himalayan charcoal mask. That is interesting. So let's unbox the day 9. What am I getting? Oh, I think this is a hand cream. Wow. Oh, this is a shea butter from Tamale, Ghana. Day 10 now. Oh, I like this one. This is a milk snowman. That is so cute. Pink grapefruit shower gel. It smells like hypnotizing me right now, guys. So I love having those mini ones for troubles because we travel like few times in a year. I'm drinking the matcha right now, guys. Day 11. Day 11 right here. It's a triangle box. I don't know what am I getting on this one. Oh, a small packet. Coconut bath bubble. Oh, this is cute. This is small. Coconut bath bubbles. Hopefully it'll make a lot of bubbles when I put it in the bathtub. We are on the 12th day of Christmas. My true love sent to me. Where are you? Oh, it's a big one, guys. It's a big box. Another big box. Okay, here it is. It's big and it's heavy. Oh, what is this? Oh la la. It's a chamomile eye makeup remover. I just ran out of my makeup remover and haven't bought one, so this is a perfect timing. Day 13. Day 13. It's quite big, but I don't know. I can tell. What do you think am I getting? Oh, nice. What is this? It's vitamin E moisture cream. So this is a moisturizer. Raspberry seed oil. This is the day 14 with Christmas card. What is this? Another lip butter, I would guess. Maybe a small cream or something. Another mask. Oh, what is this? The Body Nicaraguan, sorry if I mispronounce it, Nicaraguan Coffee Intense Awakening Mask. Smells like a really strong coffee, like one of those dark roast coffee. Day number 15. Oh wow, this is, I think this is the biggest box, you guys. This is the third biggest box. Oh, it looks like the same as the other one, okay? Oh yeah, it's the banana. Oh, it's the banana conditioner. Wow, so I have a set here, a banana shampoo and banana conditioner. Day number 16. Ah! It fell. What do we have here? A body butter. Yes, yay. Strawberry body butter. Okay, wait. I hope I don't make mess here. Oh my gosh. I just want to lick it. It smells like ice cream, those strawberry ice cream, and it looks like an ice cream to me. Maybe I am just hungry. I don't know. I just ate though. This makes me want to crave for ice cream right now, guys. Day number 17. Have a cracking Christmas. What is this? I hope I don't break the product inside because I keep shaking them, guys. It just makes me excited. What's this? Like a lipstick? Or a lip balm? It's a matte lip liquid. Wow. A makeup. I didn't know that. That is so nice. Day number 18. Oh, I think this is another face mask. Wow. Yeah, it is a face mask. This is vitamin E face mask. Day 19. Woo! This is another shower gel. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. Another hypnotizing scent. Day 20. What do we have here? Oh, it's the mango lip butter. So I got 2 lip butters now, and I can give one to someone. I'm gonna give the coconut one to my brother because I know he likes the scent. I know he likes Body Shop. We have this in Philippines, and I know he likes this brand, so I might give it to him. This too. And I'm gonna keep the mango one because I love mango. So let's unbox the day 21. So this is another bath bubble. This is the pink grapefruit bath bubble. So I got 2 bath bubbles now. It's day 22 and it's another big box. Wow. Ah, what is this? Ah. All right. Oh, nice. Wow. It's a facial wash. Yay! I got a facial wash. And this is with protective vitamin E moisturizing wheat germ oil. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. And I think this is a full size. So this is great, guys. Day number 23. So we have only 2 left here. Oh, this one is like very light, like almost nothing inside. Maybe another small loofah. I don't know. Oh, this is a hairband. It's very Christmassy. It has the gold stars around it and it's navy blue, I believe. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this. I will definitely use this. Day 24. Oh, this is a face mask. Yes. For the last day, for the Christmas day, I have this like house-shaped box. It's a little bit heavy. Let's see what's in here. Wow! Oh my gosh! Wow! Oh my gosh! Wow, you guys, I am a happy kid right now. I got a full size of the almond milk and honey buddy butter. It smells so good. I love everything that I got. Like, I'm super happy. I can use all of them. There's nothing like I do not like, to be honest. I'm gonna do a quick overview of everything that I got from this advent calendar.
My heart was in chains, but now I'm free. Yeah, I am only focusing on me. Love isn't something that I need. I'm sorry if I'm making you feel like I'm leading you on, but honey, I really don't need someone by my side. But we could have some fun, baby, let's go. Nothing serious, baby, not how. We could have some fun, baby, let's go.
Oh yeah, that's a wrap. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you do enjoy, please hit the like button and please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell button so you can be updated on my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.